If you've been living in Portugal and you're ready to settle long term, applying for permanent residency might be your next step. But how do you qualify and what's the process? Let's go through it clearly. My name is Betty, an immigration advisor for law and visas. Permanent residency in Portugal is usually available after 5 years of legally living in the country. During those 5 years, you must hold a valid residence permit, like a work visa, study visa, or family reunification visa. If you've lived continuously in Portugal with renewals, you may qualify. So, what are the main requirements? Here is what you need. Proof of legal residence in Portugal for 5 years or more. A clean criminal record both in Portugal and your home country. Proof of income or financial stability. Proof of accommodation, such as a rental contract or property deed. Evidence that you've been integrated into Portuguese society, which can include language knowledge. An important point is the Portuguese language requirement. To apply for permanent residency, you will need to show basic Portuguese skills, usually through the A2 level exam. This proves you can handle everyday communication and understand the basics of life in Portugal. Now, let's talk about the application process. You submit your request through the Immigration and Border Service (SEF). The process includes filling out the application form, gathering supporting documents, including your residence history and proof of income, attending an appointment at SEF for biometric data like fingerprints and photos, waiting for approval and issuance of your permanent residence card. How long does it take? On average, approval can take a few months, depending on SEF's workload and how complete your file is. Missing documents are one of the main reasons for delays. Once granted, permanent residency gives you major benefits. You can live, work, and study in Portugal without restriction. You have access to health care and social security benefits. You don't need to keep renewing temporary permits every couple of years. After another period, usually 5 years, you may even apply for Portuguese citizenship if you meet the criteria. It's important to remember that permanent residency doesn't mean you can be absent from Portugal for long periods. Extended absences could affect your status, so plan carefully if you intend to travel often. In summary, applying for Portugal permanent residency requires at least 5 years of legal residence, proof of financial and social stability, and passing a Portuguese language exam. The process is handled through SEF, and approval can take several months. If this video helped you understand the process, make sure to subscribe for more Portugal immigration guides. Like this video and share it with someone who's planning to stay in Portugal long term. And drop a comment below if you would prefer permanent residency or go straight for citizenship when eligible.